Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Davina Oriakhi, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you all about my first ever two-strand aka double twist experience with my locks. I'm going to be telling you why I decided to do it, how it was. I'm going to be showing you how it was done. I'm going to be telling you how I maintained it, and I'm going to be telling you how long it lasted. So if you're interested, keep watching. But first, cue the intro. I have had this. So my last retwist was the 21st of July. So and this is the 12th of September that I'm filming this. So it's just under 2 months. So it's safe to say that it's just about 7 weeks. I usually retwist my hair every 8 to 12 weeks or every 6 to 8 weeks, depending on how messy I think it is or depending on how much help I think it needs. So I'm going to show you what my hair looks like right now. I usually have it up when I'm at home, especially when I'm going into the shower. So this is the state of the hair right now. So my hair actually like unravels and grows really quickly, really easily. So yeah, that's what the hair looks like right now. Twist because I'm leaving in about 20 minutes. So I'm literally filming this just to show you guys. Let's do a length check. As you can see, my roots are all over the place. What did I do with my hair in between then and now? I've washed it at least 3 times because it's the summertime, so I wash my hair more often. What else have I done? I use aloe vera gel because I work a 9 to 5. So to go to work, I just put on a little bit of aloe vera gel, and I usually do a half up, half down to work. What else have I done? I moisturize my hair as often as I remember to. I spray it, I use oils. I just use rose water and oil, and I'll have another video about my moisturizing routine. I did attempt to retwist my hairline 2 weeks ago after I washed my hair, and I just used aloe vera gel, and that was just to make it look neater for work. Yeah, that's all I've done to my hair. I cannot wait to find out how this retwist would actually look. I wonder if I would be happy with it because I don't like intricate styles like that on my locks. So, but he did say that it would last longer. So hopefully that works out well. Let's see how it goes. So in the next clips, you will see me in the salon and how I get on. Yeah, let's head out now. Hi, so this is what it looked like at the top of my head at the salon. So we've already gone, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of my hair. So what he does is that he takes the comb with some locking gel, gathers it all together, twists, wraps the excess hair around the lock, and then palm rolls a bit. And then he takes 2 of those locks and he just double twists them, which did really work out well. It did hurt. I am going to leave this disclaimer. There was tension on my scalp. It did leave some pain, but it wasn't too bad that I couldn't handle. So if you've got a tender scalp, I would say just make sure your loctician is not exerting too much, pulling too much or exerting too much tension on your scalp. This is so therapeutic to watch. Shout out to Emmanuel, Morris Roots Tooting London. He's been doing my locks now for the past 2 years, and I have no complaints about him. No complaints whatsoever. He's my G, and he always hooks me up. So
And he's always told me to do a double twist, but I just never thought to do it because, as I said, I don't like intricate styles. But yeah, this was a really lovely experience. Do you see how neat it is? Do you see the texture of my hair? Girl, look at that. Look at all that. So beautiful. Yeah.
Whoa. No, your hair wouldn't come out.
It looked so good that I was so tempted to style it and I gave into temptation. I would say I'm not doing that again because as I was filming this part of the video, I was in so much pain. I had to take it down as soon as I finished filming. So that's the only mistake I feel like I made with this double twist. Styling it, I should have left it alone.
Hi! So this is my double twist, retwist 2 weeks after. And guys, I have never had my hair this neat for this long before. It kind of feels weird because I really miss the way my locks look when they're messy and you know the roots are out and it just looks fuller and more marley-ish. And I miss it, but I did a poll on my Instagram at the beginning of the week and I asked people what they think if I should leave this on for another 2 weeks to make it a total of 3 weeks, or if I should leave it on for 1 more week to make it a total of 2. The highest vote was to leave it for 3 weeks in total, so this is my 2nd week. I'm going to leave it in for another week before I take out the twists. I really want to take them out today because the truth of the matter is, yes, this is a perfect example. The bands are, can you see it? The bands are coming out. So as opposed to this, I actually put this band in, right? So the bands are rubber. My loctician put in rubber bands. They have been popping off, and so I've been replacing them with cotton-based pad rubber bands. And yeah, this is my situation throughout the past 2 weeks. Like, they've just been popping off, and I think it's because they are snapping. Can you see? They are snapping, and I'm not sure if it's because of the moisture. I'm not sure if it's just wear and tear. I don't know, but all I know is it's tempting me to take them out even more. But I'm gonna chest it and firm it for another week, and I'm just gonna pull through. And yeah, because I thought to myself, I can have messy twists for as long as I want, but I can't have neat hair for as long as I want. You know, at some point it does get messy. So I want to see how this holds up for another week to make it a total of 3 weeks, and then I'll take it down finally. So by this time next week I would have taken it down, but you're obviously going to see the whole journey as it is in one video. But yeah, so let's have a look through what the hair looks like. This is the first time where after 2 weeks I can actually still see my scalp as if I have just retwisted it a few days ago. Like, it is so neat, guys. My hair's never been this neat before. Never, ever. It has never been this neat before after 2 weeks. Look. So I'm quite happy with the results. I think I'm going to keep double twisting every time I get my hair retwisted. And even if I choose not to do it while I'm stationary, e.g. i.e. while I'm just in London, I'm definitely going to do it when I travel, because if I travel I know that it would stay neat for a longer period of time. But so far I'm very happy, to be very honest with you. I'm actually really happy. It's just I miss my messy twists, but as I said, I can have messy twists for as long as I want, but I can't have neat twists for as long as I want, so I'm going to keep it in for some more time. Let's fast forward on to when I take them down. Hello. So this is officially a month I've had this double twist style. So 3 weeks of it in the double twist, and then a week and a few days of it with the crinkly, wavy, curly, really nice style. When you take out the twist, I didn't film the taking out the twist. I do apologize. I was just really stressed at work one night, and taking out the twist was my form of therapy. So I thought, yeah, I couldn't film that for you, but I do have pictures of how it looked when I first took them out. They were very beautiful. They are still very beautiful, and yeah, this is the first time. If you can see my scalp, I hope you can still see my scalp. And usually after a month, you can't see my scalp anymore. So has this style worked in keeping my hair as neat as possible? Yes. Did I put in extra measures? Yes. Usually I don't like to sleep with a scarf or a bonnet. I just have my satin pillowcase. But I have been wrapping my hair, so that has also helped in making sure that this stays in place. But aside that, I have been spraying it less often. So I used to spray in the summer, I would spray it every 2 days. Now I'm spraying it every 4 days. I know with the winter, I am going to be spraying it a bit more often, but as at now, it's every 4 days, and my hair seems fine. It's not as dry as it used to be when I was neglecting my hair, and I'm very happy with it. There is something that I noticed. My hair does look a little bit thinner, and that's because it was in a style for so long, and with the way it was twisted tight, so it does look a bit thinner than I usually have my hair. But at the same time, I'm not mad at it. I have come to terms with the fact that as my locks mature, they do become compact because they're no longer budding, which the budding stage makes the lock look very fluffy. But now that they are compact, they are back to the original size that was, sectioned when I first started my starter locks. So I'm not mad at it. I do miss the fluffiness that I used to have. I do miss the fullness that I used to have. But it's still, am I right to say that it still looks full? Okay, so yeah. Would I do this again? Yes, I would do this again. However, I'm keeping two things in mind. I'm keeping in mind that my hair will look neater, fresher, slimmer for a longer period of time, so I won't be in a rush to retwist my hair again. I usually retwist my hair every 2 to 3 months. If I'm going to be doing this every time I retwist my hair, I will be extending the period of time that I wait before I do another retwist, so probably every 3 to 4 months, that sort of thing. I would definitely do this to travel, because then it keeps the hair fresh and looking really nice. So going on holiday, going to a different country to, I don't know, work, tour, whatever, I would definitely do a double twist. Highly recommend it. I'm very happy with it. I'm very, very happy with it. I've rocked this for a month, so I'm very satisfied. I'm extremely satisfied. I'm happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to comment. Let me know, are you going to do a double twist? What did you think about my double twist? Do you like the way it looks? Are you going to do it? What is your experience with double twist? Let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video.